Now that we're back from Thanksgiving, it's important not to forget the companies that reported last week, especially the ones that shot the lights out. Take Tech Data, TECD, the supermarket of technology that's one of the world's largest wholesalers of IT products. In short, they help tech titans like Apple or Cisco get their merchandise to market via a huge web of distribution centers. Recently, the stock of Tech Data has been on fire. Ever since we learned that the company's acquiring its rival Avnet's technology solutions business, that's a particular business line, for $2.6 billion, a little more than 2 months ago. The news sent Tech Data shares soaring correctly, I believe, more than 20% in a single day, because the deal is expected to be very additive to the company's earnings. But then the stock sold off going to the election, although since Trump's surprise victory, it's come right bouncing back. And it certainly didn't hurt that Tech Data reported a blowout quarter last Tuesday, although you might have missed it if you're getting ready for Thanksgiving. Company posted a fabulous 18-cent earnings beat off of a $1.26 basis, higher than expected sales, robust guidance for the next quarter as well. I always say that if you want to take the pulse of the technology sector, just listen to Tech Data. So does their latest quarter bode well for the rest of the industry? Let's check in with Bob Dutkowsky. He's the CEO of Tech Data to find out more about the quarter and where his company's headed. Mr. Dutkowsky, welcome back to Mad Money.
Hey, Jim, how are you? Good to be back.
All right, Bob, I got to tell you, I was trying to figure out how to explain to people how great the Avnet Solutions deal is. You took the words out of my mouth, but I'm going to make you explain it to people. With Technology Solutions, Tech Data will become the complete end-to-end distributor from the data center to the living room. How will that work so that our viewers know what that means?
You know, Jim, when you look at the way technology is used around the world, it's not segmented into categories anymore. There's not consumer technology and commercial technology. There's not data center technology and cloud technology. It all fits together in a seamless fashion. And so by putting Tech Data together with Technology Solutions from Avnet, we build that end-to-end source of products for the marketplace. We like to say anything from the living room to the data center, or from a printer cartridge to a mainframe to the cloud. Tech Data is going to be capable of delivering all of those solutions to our customers in a seamless fashion, and that really differentiates us in the marketplace.
But then the everyday person who watches the show will not know that Tech Data is involved in the transaction, right?
Yeah, because we work in the background. We're a distributor. We source products from the vendors, companies like HP and Cisco and IBM and Microsoft and Apple. We sell them to outlets that then deliver them to the end user. And so whether it's a retailer or a value-added distributor or a corporate remarketer, we're the source of those solutions for the end users. The end user can't go to techdata.com and buy a product from us, but chances are the technology they acquire from virtually any other source is touched by a distributor like Tech Data.
And so therefore that Avnet acquisition just makes it so you're even better competitor.
More customers, more products, and most importantly, Jim, we'll bring a completely different set of skills and value to our customers that'll allow them to get all this array of technology and help solve their customers' business problems. Right, now, it really does differentiate Tech Data in the market.
No, I think we love the acquisition. Now, I thought it was very interesting when you turn to Europe. What an impressive performance in terms of the highest Q3 non-GAAP operating income in the region's history. What is going on in Europe? Because that certainly seems different from what we hear from all these individual countries.
Again, I think the reason why we perform so well in Europe, first of all, the Tech Data side of the business is executing exceptionally well. And it's a combination of our people and the investments we've made in the systems and tools that help them do their jobs. And then it's that breadth of products. So in the quarter, products like networking and security products and mobile products were really hot. And we were able to switch our focus to those hot products and use our exceptional execution to win in the marketplace.
You used a great term in your call, which is that you are the Switzerland of the IT market. Please explain that to people, what it means to not necessarily be linked with just one company.
Yeah, we have products on our line card from about 600 different vendors. We have 125,000 different technology products that come from a broad array of vendors. And so we're able to help our customers solve their business problem irregardless of the brand or the vendor. Our customer will call us and say they need to help their customer solve a complex product, and we can bring multiple technologies, whether it's multiple cell phones, multiple PCs, multiple printers, all the way up to multiple servers and storage and networking and complex software to help cobble together the best solution. And so we don't really have a favorite vendor. We like all of our vendor partners, and they help solve their customers' business problems.
All right, I had felt that one of your competitors, Avnet, did not see some of the changes coming in technology. You know, they've adjusted, and it's good. But there have been periods of technological disruption that we talk about here. Have they helped or hurt Tech Data?
Jim, we love disruption. Disruption brings a different degree of value that we can bring to our customers and our vendor partners. And we can help sort out the complexity that exists in the marketplace and sort out the complexity of technology and simplify it for our customers so that they can continue to buy products and technologies. So when disruption happens, it's a good thing for Tech Data. And, you know, Jim, we've been in business now over 40 years, and we have managed through multiple disruptions in the industry, whether it be the mainframe or the client server or the internet or mobility, and now the cloud. And in every case, after one of those sea changes of technology, Tech Data emerged as a stronger company. And we could see that these disruptions that exist in the market today, we'll be able to navigate those and create a better Tech Data out the other side of the disruption.
All right, one last question. I know that there have been a delay around the election, delay of spending around Trump for some, but you talked about the possibility, once again, of a budget flush year-end. Things look strong so far this quarter?
Yeah, you know, we guided that we would have flat growth year over year. Keep in mind, we grew 11% last year in Q4. So flat will actually be good. And, you know, the year-end process for acquiring technology, whether it be a business or a consumer, there's a lot of purchases that happen in Q4. So Tech Data is geared up to deal with the market realities, and we hope we have a really good, solid quarter.
Well, congratulations on that great acquisition, on the great quarter. I think the stock is headed much higher. That's Bob Dutkowsky. He's the CEO of Tech Data. Great to see you, sir.
Thanks, Jim.
Guys, this is still a fantastic way to play technology. You heard about diverse clients. You heard about the soup to nuts. You understand that they can deal with disruption. Tech Data is a way to go. Bob Dutkowsky, good executive. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.